This year is all about how we're making earning on Uber easier, safer, and fair. It's all about making Uber work for you and not the other way around.
All right, well let's talk about Uber going back in time.
Yeah, how do you like them apples? Nostalgia hit me when I saw this one. And in fact, Johan, our friend, contributor at Rideshare guy, did a video. This is LaGuardia. This is in your backyard, man. They're bringing kiosks. Now you're going to be able to order an Uber through a kiosk like the good old days. You just go to the machine and you just put your shit in. This is good for tourists, though. I think it's pretty timely. You know, World Cup is happening. You know what I'm saying? A lot of tourists are going to come around, and I think this is a good idea. I mean, a lot of people said, like, this is a horrible idea. I'm like, why is this a horrible idea? I think it's a pretty good idea. Uber is changing how travelers order rides at airports. A new ride booking method. I mean, it doesn't make it any difference to the driver. You're still going to get the trip. A new ride booking method will debut at airports across the country. I think it's a brilliant idea.
It's going to be a lot better because instead of somebody ordering a ride when they're still on the airplane trying to get off and then walk the entire distance of the airport and then go pick up their bags and then finally come into the rideshare lot, at least it's going to be where where that rider has to be in front of the area in order to be able to order the ride. So at least that's a perk. And I think a lot of it is probably going to be that it's going to be like you said, probably more international travel. So there could be some issues when it comes to that, where the phone may not be working properly, or there could be some issues while using it. So, having a terminal right there where you can do that type of ordering is probably going to be key. And then other people, may have had phone or something like that. Who knows?
Yeah. I mean, everybody has a credit card, I'm assuming, right? Tourists, right? And we have cash chips too, by the way, folks, in a lot of cities now, almost everywhere. I like this idea. I think this is pretty good. Uber kiosks to appear at LaGuardia. They're kicking off at LaGuardia. Uber also recently confirmed plans to launch Uber Kiosk, a booth at airports that travelers without an international data plan or phone access.
There you go.
I think this is. I didn't
even read that part.
This is good. You don't think this is
I
good?
looked at the front one, but I didn't even read that part.
Which one? No data.
Where
No
it
phone
said,
access?
booth at airports that travelers without an international data plan or phone access can use to book a ride. I didn't even. That's literally what I just said, but I wasn't.
Yeah. No. Well, what do you think? Do you think it's a good idea? I think it's a good idea for Uber.
Sure. Never expect a tip though from them.
No, but I mean, it's like it literally goes like going back though. That's why I said it's like we're going back in time, nostalgia. Now you just go to I mean, like you do this at every fast food restaurant now. There's a goddamn kiosk. They replaced all the cashiers now.
I don't do kiosks. F that,
bro. I went to McDonald's yesterday. Not yesterday.
That was your first
day before.
Going to McDonald's.
Bro, that thing is so complicated. I'm going like, how the fuck do you order anything here, man?
Go to Five Guys. First off, Five Guys tastes so much better. And you know what? McDonald's is actually more expensive than Five Guys now.
Not in my neighborhood. Five Guys, 2 people is $40, bro.
Ugh. Yeah, Five Guys is 38.
No, well, all I know is
especially with like your $20 minimum wage or 25 now or whatever it is at.
Yeah, in California it's 25. Fast food workers get 25. That's why Five Guys is $40 for 2 people. So Uber, I like this idea. So we can put your pre-roll in front of this segment. So we can do that.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.